Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're currently back out here at Alex's shop here. Just went ahead and pull up in the Excursion. Alex just rolled up on his 400DX there, so it's a little bit windy. I'm going to go on inside, just figure I'd get a quick clip of the Excursion. It's looking pretty good right now with the 6.4 mirrors, the new bullet antenna, which you guys can hardly see, and 6-zone headlights and stuff like that. Either way, it's looking good. We're heading on into the shop here, my buddy Alex's shop. To look at his 400DX here. We got a new carburetor to put on it today. Alrighty guys, if you guys didn't already know, his current carburetor, which is soon to be his previous carburetor, had a really bad leak on it. Did you shop the fuel already, Alex?
Oh, I went through like a huge puddle.
Oh really?
It just went flying in there.
Did you turn the fuel off already?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
It's been leaking.
It's been leaking, so let me just show you guys real quick. You mind if I show real fast just to show people? Hang on, let's see, it'll start leaking any second now. There you go, he's dripping there. And then it gets worse and worse, so it's because that flip gets stuck open in there. So today we're gonna tear down the 07 400DX here. And we're gonna put on the new carburetor. Let me just show you guys what it looks like here. So far, everything we've done to this thing is just the new tires. Isn't that right? Just the new tires?
Yeah.
So now we're doing the carburetor and getting this $2,000 quad in tip-top shape, because it runs really well, guys. Like, it runs really well. It sounds good with the big gun ES exhaust on it. It'd just be a shame if we just let this thing continue to have a gas leak and have bald tires. So you know. Also guys, Alex here today. He has a YouTube channel he got him started on a little while back. It's called Head Production. Yeah. And he's also gonna be
Head Productions 400DX.
Yeah guys, so currently right now he only has 20 subscribers in like a week. I mean, that's really not that bad. So yeah, he's off to a good start right now, and we're trying to get him up to at least 100 subs. So go ahead and check out Head Productions and to find him, because as I just said, he only has 20 subscribers right now. You can't really find his channel if you just look up Head Productions on YouTube. Make sure to look up Head Productions 400DX, because we have a couple different videos on his 400DX, and his channel will pop right up. So that's how you guys can find him. And he'll also be making a video today. So he already has his phone up and ready. So, yep, and we're gonna be recording some videos on this thing today. So yep, I'm gonna set you guys up on a time lapse, and then we're gonna get going on the teardown process, and hope you guys enjoy. We'll catch you guys with that. Alright guys, so now we've just gone ahead and tore down the 400DX here, and something cool about this one, so this one is an 07, this is my buddy Alex's 400DX. My 05 400DX has, and you guys may have seen this, if you guys have watched my previous videos of me doing a full tear down and rebuild of my 400DX, did a top end rebuild and stuff like that. But anyways, with my plastics on my 05 400DX, these are two pieces, like they split about right here, and I had one piece I need to take off, then I need to take off this piece, and the same with both sides on mine, on my 05, and I don't know, these might be aftermarket plastics, that's why they just convert them all into one, but I still find that pretty cool. So yeah, we just went ahead and took off the plastics there, and we got the piece that goes over the gas tank, and then we got the hood here, and it's looking pretty good. So we just went ahead and took off the plastics. Now it's time to set you guys up for another time lapse and catch you guys once we take off the gas tank, and that should be it, because here's the carburetor right here. So we've pretty much reached it. We may just have to, no, I think we should be all right just taking off the gas tank, because when I did my rebuild, all I had to do was just take off my gas tank and tear down to about right here, and then I could take off my carburetor, put a new one on when I did mine. So catch you guys at that. Alrighty guys, on top of the plastics, none of them being a single bolt, a single rivet, anything bolted down at all, or with any rivets securing it. Only zip ties, which, where's the, yeah, certified zip tie mechanic. We should have, you know, probably assumed that, but gosh, not a single plastic, right, was like secured at all, except for zip ties, but I guess that's its own thing. The gas tank didn't have a single bolt in it, nor did the gas tank, not the cover, but the thing that goes under the gas tank. So it goes here, and then right here. So literally nothing secured down that gas tank at all. I'm surprised this thing has stayed in one piece while you were riding it. Like, that's just, this thing continues to amaze me on how the thing hasn't just fallen apart into pieces because nothing was secured down. Like, I had to grab my whole socket set. Like, before this, I was like, all right, grab your socket set. But whenever I took off mine, or whenever I tore down my 400X, I had to grab my socket set and I had to go through and take off just literally everything. There's a, I hope that's not gas leaking.
Oh, shoot.
Did you not turn your gas off?
No, gas off. It's not leaking out of it.
Oh, it is. Oh, that's just another. That's.
Can you open the door for me?
Yeah, I got you.
Let's
I'll
take it
open.
outside.
Yeah. Or you could just try to turn it off a little bit better. I don't know why it's leaking. Anyways, guys, so yeah, nothing was secured down, not even the gas tank, none of the plastics, not even that thing. And yeah, when I went to take apart mine, there was 2 bolts for that, 2 bolts for the gas tank, rivets in every little inch and every little place for the plastics. But no, wherever a rivet was supposed to be for these things was a zip tie. Yeah, guys, we just went and stripped down to the carburetor here, so it's time to replace the old one with the new one. So catch you guys at that. Alrighty, guys, I've just made quite the discovery here when taking off the carburetor. So we're almost done, right? And then we notice, I just see a couple itty bitty drips coming from this hose and the connection to wherever the other hose is. Oh, that's strong. But anyways, I just see a little drip, and then I just tug on it just a little bit, and this thing just pops right out. This thing, all the leak was with that bad connection, was not dripping from the bottom of the carburetor. I thought it was dripping out of the vent hose because normally they'll do that whenever the flow gets stuck and too much fuel gets in the bowl, right? So I thought it was that, but no, it was this janky little connection here, and that wasn't even tightened down at all onto wherever the other one went, where that other hose went. Oh. All we had to do was tighten down that, but hey, you already have a new carburetor bought, so we're gonna put it on because we're this far, so we're gonna do that. So, just figured I'd show you guys. This thing is janky. Now, I'll catch you guys in a minute. Alright, guys, I feel very proud of myself. I just went ahead and ripped off that thing with all its stupid little connections. It's got its little inline filter. Look at all those little connections, and all of them had a very slow drip leak to them. And finally, that one there had the worst leak that caused us to think that we needed a whole new carburetor. But no, the carburetor was fine. It was just all these janky little connections. You got your on and off switch, you got your stupid little inline thing, which I'm a fan of inlines. But why do you need one cutoff switch here and then another cutoff switch up there on the tank that work too? Because you shut it off on there and then shut off, but then also if you shut it off on here, it would also shut it off. So I mean, you didn't really need to, and also I don't trust these connections. So yeah, we got the old carburetor off. Gonna put on the new carburetor and delete all these stupid connections. That's a vent hose, and then you got your throttle cable right here. And I'm just trying to find where, oh, there's one of the little connected things. I'm just trying to find where now. Oh, I think I know. I was gonna look at where I need to hook up the fuel line to, because I didn't really know where it was going to. All I knew is there was a bunch of weird connections to it. But, oh yeah, I know where it's gonna go. All right, catch you guys once we're putting on the new one. Alrighty guys, another little break here. So we got this all connected. I thought I got the cable on it. We put the hose that goes up to the gas tank, deleting all the weird little knob and line fill filter and stuff. So I got this piece of hose on the carburetor. I did get that fully secured. It's the throttle cable. Let's see. Guess what? I didn't even hook up the throttle cable to anything. No, I just need to take it off and put the cable in it and then put the cover back on it with the 2 screws that are thankfully still laying back there. And then we'll be done. So, yeah. Oh, I'm so stupid. I can't believe I didn't realize that I didn't even hook up the throttle cable. I got it screwed in there, but I didn't hook it up inside of it, so I gotta go do that.
Bolt or something?
Yeah, just a nut to put on the back of it. Alright. Alrighty guys, so I just installed the carburetor for the second time. This time, actually hooked up the and put it back on the cover. I actually hooked up the throttle cable and put it back on the cover. Silly me, I didn't even put it on the first time. I screwed it into the top, but I didn't hook it up inside of it, even though I had the cover off, and the cover is laying right there. Now it's time to put this back on, and then wherever the gas tank is sitting out there, and hook that back up, and then, oh gosh, we need to find more zip ties. Hope we have zip ties, and then we can put back on the plastics, and yeah, and then it'll be all right. So catch you guys with that. Alrighty guys, no more leaks. Fuel is on. New carburetor is installed. Fired right up. Got the gas tank on. Time to throw on these plastics and the hood and the other one that goes over the gas tank right there. And I'd say that's pretty much a completed job. We deleted that, which was causing the leak. Got a fresh new carburetor on it. Oh, it's here. Yeah, it's running pretty good. Sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe if you're new and you haven't already. If that one, catch you guys very, very soon in the next one. Alrighty, guys. I know I just finished off the video, but real quick, just had to finish it off. Just got the seat back on, zip tied up the fronts, got the hood back on, and got the little plastic under or over the gas tank there, and got it all situated, all zip tied back up. And now, thanks for watching. If that one, catch you guys very, very soon in the next one.